Hi everyone, this is Sheena and I'm going to show you the Sydney unit natin. Ito yung pinaka-affordable na house and lot natin dito sa Premium Village natin here at Anyana and Antel Properties. Let's go guys! So this Sydney unit guys has a minimum cut of 80 square meters. Yung pinaka-front natin is here. Yung front easement natin is 3 meters. Yung dito naman sa side, kasya yung dalawang sasakyan, 2 meters po ito. So, ayan. Check natin yung likod. So, upon turnover, ito is talagang provision for lanai or garden area. And then, yung cemented part lang is itong part na to. Dito naman sa likod, guys, pwede nyo pa itong ipa-extend. So, lahat ng mga houses na ino-offer natin is expandable. So, meaning ng expandable, may 2 meters sa likod, 2 meters sa side, and 3 meters po dun sa harap. Okay? Eto, ganito yung look niya. So, upon turnover, may mga provision na rin siya na saksakan and then sa water inlet natin para dito nyo pwede ilagay yung ating laundry area. Let's look inside of the Sydney unit, guys. Yan. This is our first floor. So, look at that. Ganito yung pinaka-floor layout niya. So, sa first floor, we have our kitchen, living, dining, toilet, and bath. And yung na-mention ko earlier, yung 2 meters sa likod, 2 meters sa side for parking and garden lanay natin. And then, 3 meters dito sa harap, which is the porch. Ano yan, guys? So, this is the kitchen area. And then, yung ating dining, dito natin yun pwede ilagay. And then, yung living, itong part na to. Then dito naman, this is our stairs going to the second floor and this is our toilet and bath. Let's check. So kung ano yung nakikita natin, ganito po natin ita-turn over sa inyo ang mga Sydney unit natin. So fully finished turnover po ang gawa ng bahay. Buhos po yung construction natin kaya makakasigurado tayo na matibay yung gawa ng mga properties natin. Yan. Dito yung access. So, check naman natin yung second floor. Yan. High ceiling din tayo, guys. So, actually, sa second floor natin, kaya siyang magawa ng open layout. Kasi dito, naka-hardwood yung pinaka-layout natin sa second floor. Okay? So, check muna natin dito sa side na to. So, ayan. Nandito sa side na to, yung kumbaga nasa likod na part, yung toilet and bath natin. So, this is common lang po for the 3 bedrooms. Okay? Ito naman yung nasa likod. Yan. Kapag in-extend natin yung 2 meters dito sa likod na sinasabi ko po, pwede pa po natin itong gawing access door o di kaya dito yung access.